Hello student, welcome to DSS online class. I am your English teacher Santosh sir and today I present with the new video of Honeycomb book chapter 2nd A Gift of Chappal. Dear student, I have finished the here and today I start from here. Okay student, now the beggar was shaking out his upper cloth and tightening his dhoti. He raised his eyes and looked fearfully at the road gleaming in the afternoon heat. Means the beggar was standing and tightening his upper cloth and tightening his dhoti also, and he raised his eyes looking at on the road that was very fearful on the heat of the sun. बेगर जो है अपने अपर क्लॉथ को उठाया और अपनी धोती को टाइटनिंग किया और वह सड़क की तरफ जो है फियरफुल हो करके देख रहा था. He needs something on his feet, Meena said, her big eyes filling. It is not fair. And Meena said that the beggar needs something on his feet. मीना कहती है कि बेगर को जो है उसके पैरों में कुछ चाहिए. Her eyes, big eyes filling. It is not fair. And Meena also said that his big eyes, it is not filling. It is not fair. मीना यह भी कह रही है कि जो उसके साथ हो रहा है बेगर के साथ वह सही नहीं है. Said Ravi. Ravi also said that it is right. I am thinking about it. And Ravi also said that he was thinking about it. रवि कहता है कि वह भी इसी के बारे में सोच रहा है. Blubbering, it is not fair, it is not fair, it is not going to help. And Ravi said that it is not fair with the beggar and no one helped the beggar. रवि कहता है कि कोई जो है बेगर उस बेगर की हेल्प नहीं कर रहा है. इन 2 minutes he will be frying his feet on that road. And Ravi also said that after 2 minutes his feet were frying on that hot road. रवि कहता है कि 2 मिनट बाद ही उसके जो पैर हैं जब वो सड़क पे चलेगा तो उसके पैर जो है फ्राई हो जाएंगे, गर्मी से जल जाएंगे. What he need is a pair of chappal. And Ravi also said that what he needs only a pair of chappal. उसे क्या चाहिए? उसे एक जोड़ी चप्पल चाहिए. So where do we get them? And Ravi also said that where we get the pair of chappal. Come, let us search the house. And Ravi said to Meena that let us search where is a chappal. He pushed Mridu and Meena into the house, and Ravi also pushed Mridu and Meena into the house. Just as she stepped into veranda, Mridu's eyes fell on the old-looking chappal, and when Mridu stepped into veranda, her eyes fell on the old-looking chappal. जैसे ही मृदु बरांडा में आई, वह एक पुराने चप्पल की तरफ देखने लगी. She had noticed when she arrived, and she had noticed when she arrived into the veranda. Ravi, she whispered to him, whose are those? And Mridu whispered to Ravi that whose these chappals. मृदु जो है रवि से धीरे से बोलती है कि वह चप्पल किसका है. रवि turned and glanced at the sobby looking but sturdy old slipper, and Ravi observed that chappal, and that chappal was very old, and he blinked and nodded, and he saw and nodded his head. These are just the right side, he said. Ravi said that these slippers are fit to that beggar. Picking them up, and Ravi picked that chappal. Mridu and Meena followed him nervously back into the garden, and Mridu and Meena followed to Ravi nervously, and both of them went to the garden. दोनों जो है गार्डन की तरफ चली गईं. Here, said Ravi to the beggar, dropping the slippers in the front of old man. And Ravi gave that chappal to the beggar and said, here is your slippers. Wear these and don't come back. Ravi told the beggar that wear this chappal and don't come back. The beggar stared at slippers, hurriedly flung his towel over his shoulder, pushed his feet into them, and left, muttering blessing to the children. And the beggar saw that slipper and hurried, flung his towel over his shoulder, and pushed his feet into the chapel, and left from there, muttering and blessing to the children. जो बेगर्स था, सबसे पहले वह अपने टॉवेल को अपने कंधे पे रखा, अपने पैर को उस चप्पल में फिट किया और बच्चों को जो है ब्लेस करते हुए मीन्स आशीर्वाद देते हुए जाने लगा. इन अ मिनट he had vanished around the corner of the street, and in 1 minute that beggar was disappeared from that place. The music master came out of the house and took the unappreciation look at the three of them, and at the same time music master came out from the house, and he looked unappreciative look of three children sitting quietly under the tree. And these three children means Ravi, Meena and Ridu sitting under the tree playing marbles. और ये तीनों बच्चों की तरफ जो है जो म्यूज़िक मास्टर थे अनएप्रिसिएटिव लुक से जो है देख रहे थे और ये तीनों बच्चे जो है मार्बल्स के साथ खेल रहे थे. देन ही सर्च फॉर द चप्पल इन वरांडा, एंड देन द म्यूजिक मास्टर सर्च हिज चप्पल इन वरांडा वेयर ही हैड पुट देम, एंड म्यूजिक मास्टर सर्च हिज चप्पल इन वरांडा वेयर ही पुट देम. Lali, he called after a few moments, and after a few moments the music master called Lali. She hurried up to him. Have you seen my chappal, my dear? And the music master told Lali that, have you seen my chappal, my dear? I remember having kept them here. And music master said that, I have remembered that I kept my chappal here. म्यूज़िक मास्टर बोले कि लाली, क्या तुम मेरे चप्पल को देखी हो? मुझे जहाँ तक याद है मैं यहीं अपना चप्पल रखा हुआ था। Ravi, Mridu and Meena silently watched Lali and music master search every corner of veranda. And Ravi, Mridu and Meena silently watched Lali and music master who searched every corner of veranda. रवि, मृदु और मीना जो है शांत होकर के जो है म्यूज़िक मास्टर और लाली को देख रहे थे, जो लोग वरांडा के हर कोने में उस चप्पल को ढूंढ रहे थे। ही scurried around, looking over the railing and crouching near the flower pot to look between them. And the music master also looking over the railing of the veranda and crouching near the flower pots also. और म्यूज़िक मास्टर जो थे अपने चप्पल को रेलिंग की तरफ देख रहे थे, जो फ्लावर पार्ट्स थे उसके बीच में देख रहे थे कहीं उनका चप्पल वहाँ तो नहीं है। ब्रांड न्यू दे आर, एंड द म्यूज़िक मास्टर सेड दैट दोज चप्पल वर ब्रांड न्यू, मतलब वे जो चप्पल्स थे वह ब्रांडेड भी थे और नए भी थे। आई वेंट ऑल द वे टू माउंट रोड टू बाई देम, एंड म्यूज़िक मास्टर सेड दैट ही बाई एट माउंट रोड। म्यूज़िक मास्टर बोल रहे थे कि उसने उस चप्पल को माउंट रोड से ख़रीदा है। ही वेंट ऑन सेइंग दे कॉस्ट अ होल मंथ फी, डू यू नो? एंड म्यूज़िक मास्टर also said that those chappals were very costly and it was the whole month fee of you. और म्यूज़िक मास्टर लाली से बोल रहे थे कि तुम नहीं जानती हो, वे जो चप्पल हैं वह पूरे महीने की फ़ीस जो तुम देती हो उसकी चप्पल हैं। Soon Lali went to tell her mother, and after that Lali went to her mother and tell about it. Rukmani appeared, looking harassed, with Pati following her, and after that Rukmani appeared from the house and looking harassed, means looking in a sad manner, with and Pati also following with her. और जो दादी थी वह भी उनके पीछे आ रही थी। Where could they be? It's really quite upsetting to think someone might have stolen them. And Lali's mother said that where could they be? वह कहाँ होगा? And it was a really upsetting for me. उसकी माँ कह रही थी कि चप्पल कहाँ हो सकता है, और यह क्वेश्चन उसके लिए एक अपसेट जैसा है, मतलब उसको डिस्टर्ब करने वाला है। सो मैनी वेंडर्स केम टू द डोर वरीड पाती, एंड पाती वरीड अबाउट दैट मैनी वेंडर्स आर केम देयर डेली ऑन द डोर ऑफ मृदु। और वो कह रही है कि बहुत से जो वेंडर्स हैं, सामान बेचने वाले, दरवाजे पे रोज़ आते हैं, और इसलिए जो दादी थी काफ़ी चिंतित थी। रुक्मिणी caught sight of Ravi, Mridu, Meena sitting under the tree, and after that Rukmini saw that Ravi, Mridu and Meena sitting under the neem tree. उसके बाद रुक्मिणी जो है देखती है कि रवि, मृदु और मीना जो है उस पेड़ के नीचे बैठे हुए हैं। हैव यू चिल्ड्रन, सी बिगैन, एंड देन सीइंग दे वर curiously quiet, and her mother told to Ravi, Mridu, and Meena that have you taken the chappal and seen anyone learning around the veranda? And she also said that, have you seen anyone looking in the veranda? क्या तुम लोगों ने किसी को बरांडा में आते हुए देखा है? A sharp V-shaped line had formed between her eyebrow, and after saying that, the mother मदर आईब्रो और वी शेप्ड, और इतना कहते हुए उसकी जो माँ के जो आईब्रो थे वह वी शेप में हो गए थे, मीन्स वो काफ़ी नाराज़ थी. अनदर स्ट्रेट टाइटर वन अपीयर इन द प्लेस ऑफ हर यूजुअल सॉफ्ट प्लीजेंट माउथ, एंड दिस वॉज she was very angry. There was unusual speaking of her pleasant mouth, और जो लाली की माँ हालांकि सॉफ्ट नेचर की थी, उनके मुंह से इस तरह के अनप्लेजेंट चीज़ें नहीं निकलती थी. रुक्मिणी was angry, and after that Rukmini was very angry, thought Mridu with a shiver, and after thinking about Rukmini, Mridu was very shiver. इतना सोच करके जो मृदु थी वह डरने लगी. She wouldn't be so upset if she knew about the poor beggar with sore on his feet, and she thought that when I told about the poor beggar, she became very angry. She tried to tell herself, and the Mridu was trying to said about herself. मृदु जो है अपने आप से कहते हुए नज़र आ रही थी. Okay, student, I have completed here, and after that I complete the remaining part of the lesson. Okay, thanks for watching the video.